how to find the Amazon outlet on their site. All right, you got to come over here. You got to click on these three little things next to the word all. Now you got to go down to program and features. You got to click this see all, and then you got to slide down to Amazon outlet. This is where you're going to find all the deals. Click on there, cha-ching, and it's got premium brands, Amazon brands, overstock, bestsellers, and you can just kind of go through here. I'll just show you. Watch. This is a bunch of clothing. All right, go down here. You got like kitchen stuff. You know, this is stuff I think it was returned, or they couldn't sell it, so they end up getting stuck with it. But you can get it for a good price. Here's some home improvement stuff. Check it out. Now look, here's a bunch of other categories that you can go through. And then they've got even more stuff based on your browsing. You know, deals on frequently purchased items, stuff that you've bought before. So that's it. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Parsh out.